What do a gallon of milk, a roll of toilet paper, and a piece of paper have in common? These are all everyday household objects you can use to exercise with, even if you can't get to the gym and you have no exercise equipment in your house. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you just how to do it. Hey guys, Erin here from Healthy Mom Happy Family, and I am so excited to have you join me today as we talk about how to exercise when you're stuck in the house and you have no exercise equipment on hand. Today, I'm showing you how to use everyday household objects to still fit in fitness. Now, if you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when my newest video comes out. So let's talk about the fact that we're stuck at home, gyms are closed, you don't really have any exercise equipment, and even if you try to order it right now, it's all sold out. So what do? Well, you can definitely use your own body weight for exercises, but there's other ways with household objects that you already have that you can get a little bit creative. And I'm gonna show you just how to do it. So let's first talk about a gallon of milk. This is pretty heavy. A gallon of milk can be a great way to replicate some strength training exercises. The handle itself leads itself to being used like a kettlebell, so you can use it for a variety of exercises. Now, a piece of paper doesn't really seem like much of anything, but when you put a piece of paper on a solid floor, it can be used as a slider. You can put it under your hands or under your feet to replicate some really advanced core exercises. And we all have it on hand. And finally, a roll of toilet paper, if you have it on hand, well, it makes an excellent yoga block. So whether you're stretching, you're trying to tone the core, you can utilize this for a variety of exercises. So if you're following along and watching some of your favorite yoga YouTube videos and they're calling for a yoga block, don't stress about it. All you need is a roll of toilet paper to make it happen. And finally, if you have kids in the house, don't forget to use them. They make an excellent form of resistance for any kind of exercise. Whether you're just chasing them around, you put them on your back to do squats, push-ups, whatever exercise you want. Get the kids involved because it's fun for the whole family and it's a great way to maximize your workout. So that's it. Look around your house, see what household objects you have that you can use in your exercise routine, and it's a great way to add variety, get more strength, and you don't have to go to a gym and you don't have to order anything to make it happen. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next time.